Pre-workout supplements have become increasingly popular in the fitness industry in recent years. These supplements promise to enhance physical performance and increase muscle growth by providing an energy boost and increased focus during workouts. However, there is growing evidence that suggests that pre-workout supplements may actually be detrimental to muscle growth. The first issue with pre-workout supplements is that they often contain excessive amounts of caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that can increase energy and focus, but it can also interfere with muscle growth. Studies have shown that caffeine can reduce muscle protein synthesis, which is the process by which muscle fibers repair and grow after a workout. This can result in decreased muscle gains over time. In addition to caffeine, many pre-workout supplements also contain high levels of other stimulants such as beta-alanine and taurine. These ingredients can cause detrimental effects in your body. Now let's dive into each one of these common ingredients to see how they truly affect us. First, let's talk about caffeine. Caffeine has been shown to decrease protein synthesis, which is the process by which the body builds new muscle tissue. This means that caffeine can potentially inhibit the growth of new muscle tissue. Caffeine can also increase muscle breakdown or catabolism, which can lead to muscle loss over time. This effect may be more pronounced in those who are sensitive to caffeine or consume high doses of caffeine. Caffeine is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production and can lead to dehydration. Dehydration can impair muscle function and reduce muscle growth. Pre-workout supplements that contain caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns, which can negatively affect muscle recovery and growth. Sleep is critical for muscle repair and growth, and disruptions to the sleep cycle can impair these processes. Next, let's talk about beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is another popular ingredient found in many pre-workout supplements due to its ability to increase muscle endurance and reduce fatigue. While beta-alanine is generally considered safe, excessive consumption can have negative effects on muscle growth. Similar to caffeine, beta-alanine has been shown to decrease protein synthesis, which can inhibit the growth of new muscle tissue. Beta-alanine is converted to carnosine in the body, which can increase the acidity of muscle tissue. This increased acidity can impair muscle function and reduce muscle growth over time. And finally, let's discuss taurine. Taurine itself is not likely to have a negative impact on muscle growth. In fact, taurine may actually have some positive effects on muscle growth due to its role in promoting protein synthesis and reducing muscle damage. That being said, it's important to note that the negative effects of taurine on muscle growth are more likely to be related to the other ingredients that are commonly found in pre-workout supplements alongside taurine. For example, some pre-workout supplements containing high doses of caffeine or other stimulants can disrupt sleep patterns, increase muscle breakdown, and decrease protein synthesis, all of which can negatively affect muscle growth. If taurine is consumed alongside these negative ingredients, its positive effects on muscle growth may be counteracted. Also, it's important to note that taking high doses of taurine, more than 3 grams per day, may lead to side effects such as gastrointestinal discomfort, nausea, and diarrhea. These side effects may indirectly affect muscle growth by impairing nutrient absorption and reducing energy levels during workouts. Another issue with pre-workout supplements is that they often contain artificial sweeteners and other additives that can be harmful to the body. These additives can cause gastrointestinal issues, headaches, and other negative side effects. In addition, many pre-workout supplements are not regulated by the FDA, which means that the safety and efficacy of these supplements are not guaranteed. Furthermore, pre-workout supplements can also lead to a psychological dependence on these supplements. Many people who use pre-workout supplements become reliant on them to provide energy and focus during their workouts. This can lead to a mindset where they feel like they cannot perform well without the supplement, which can be detrimental to long-term progress. The bottom line is that pre-workout supplements are not necessary for muscle growth and can actually be harmful to your health and progress. Instead of relying on these supplements, it is better to focus on a balanced diet, proper hydration, and a well-rounded exercise routine to support muscle growth and overall health. One of the most important factors for muscle growth is a balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats can provide the nutrients necessary for muscle growth and repair. In addition, staying hydrated is also important for muscle growth, as water is essential for many bodily functions, including muscle repair and growth. Another important factor for muscle growth is proper exercise. A well-rounded exercise routine should include resistance training, cardiovascular exercise, and stretching. Resistance training is particularly important for muscle growth as it helps to stimulate muscle fibers and promote muscle repair and growth. In addition to a balanced diet and exercise routine, it is also important to get enough rest and recovery. Adequate rest and recovery time are necessary for muscle growth and repair. Overtraining can actually hinder muscle growth and lead to injury. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please click the screen to see our last video and how we can help you become a better person. We'll see you next time.